Welcome, I'm Laura, and this is Food Time and Garden. I just wanted to give you a little update on my kitchen. This is what it looks like prior to what I have just done to it. I thought I would just give you a little quick peek at what I have to work with in such a small space. Not very big, but it's enough for me to get meals on the table and to experiment with doughs and pastries and whatnots. So there's my light set up that I have to straddle from time to time. Anyway, here's an update on my indoor grow room. My cherry tomatoes are growing fabulously, as are my jalapeno peppers. Yes, indeedy. They are loving it so far. But it's almost time to get that buttercrunch lettuce and spinach and the basil on to something bigger. My pak choy, I'm not too sure, so we've been eating on it as of late and enjoying every mouthful. Look at that new bean. That bush bean is saying hello. Every other week and a half I've been replanting bush beans to have succession planting going on. And my first round of bush beans need to be potted up. Second round is coming on just as beautifully as the first. But they definitely need something. The radish is growing indoors. I've never had very much luck with those, but I'm giving them a try anyway. So my Swiss chard, oh my goodness, my Swiss chard is the star of my indoor grow room. We have been eating Swiss chard, but I needed to pot up. So I brought a great big planter box in, and I filled it with shredded paper. Then I topped that with just a piece of newspaper and then paper towel on top of that. I had to sacrifice my pineapple plant soil and put it in the top to go along with the soil from each potted plant that I have to put into a larger container. So in go my bush beans, and I can tell you they are going to be so happy that I am planting them in somewhere they can spread their little roots and grow big and strong and give me some bush beans. Every other week I replant new beans. I even had some seeds planted inside my pineapple planter before I sacrificed the pineapple. But my bush beans are happy campers now in the larger plant. And I put the buttercrunch lettuce in there and the spinach, and I moved over my tomato plants to the light that gives off more stronger light and a bit of heat as well. So this is what my kitchen turned into. I can make a cake on the left and I can grow vegetables on the center of my cooking space. So, needless to say, we gardeners who are trying to get things going indoors are doing what we can with the light that we have and the space that we have. So, good luck to everyone who has their vegetables in little pots started and growing on. I wish you all the best on this growing season. Stay safe, my friends.